go through Leetcode number 3 today. This is a medium question, and it asks you to find the longest substring without repeating characters, and then return the integer of the length of that. So if you go through some examples, you'll notice here it's ABC is the longest one without repeating characters, because, for example, ABCB has one repeating character, so 4 doesn't count, and same here. So, and then here, this is just going to be 1, because the smallest the answer could be is 1, because it's just, the substring is just itself, which is not repeating, meaning that it doesn't have duplicates. So many ways to do this, but let's come up with a brute force approach first, which is to check every single substring. So we're going to get every single substring, and then to check if it has duplicates or not. If the length of the set is equal to the length of the substring, then we do not have duplicates, and we can update our result to the length of the current substring if it's bigger than the historical, and then return the result after we've evaluated all of the substrings. This is going to time out because this is essentially O(n) squared and it's brute force. So let's come up with a better approach, which is going to be, as you can see, one last test case to use a hash set, but we also want to use a sliding window technique. So what we're going to do is declare a set and then iterate over S. And every time we see a duplicate letter, meaning that if S of right is in the set and the set's not empty, then we're going to remove from the front. So for example, if the set is ABCA and A is a duplicate, so we're going to shrink and we're going to get BCA, and then this is valid, and we're going to remove the left character by shrinking the window from the front and increment left pointer so that we don't keep, this is an infinite loop. And then at the end, once we've shrinken, so we're looking at A, we haven't added A yet. We're seeing A is going to be a duplicate, so we're removing A from the left side, and then after there's no duplicates, then we can add A back. So now my set.add S of right, and now we can take the length of the current substring because we know it doesn't have duplicates in it, which is going to be the length of my set, and then we can return result at the end. And that passes all test cases. This is going to be O of n instead of O of n squared. So it's a lot better. Let's check that. Or it might, yep, it's O of n. So, and yeah, so this is essentially a sliding window technique using the hash set, and I hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for more.